Is expert option safe? Let's break it down in practical steps. First, know the risks: unregulated brokers, withdrawal issues, and fake reviews. Start by checking regulation and licensing on official financial authority sites. Look for transparent company information, a registered address, and contact details. Test withdrawals with a small amount to confirm funds move smoothly. Read verified user reviews and community feedback for consistent patterns. Use a demo account and small trades before committing real capital. Verify platform security: HTTPS, two-factor authentication, and clear privacy policies. Check customer support responsiveness with a withdrawal or verification query. Cross-reference complaints on regulator sites, forums, and social channels. If red flags appear, pause deposits and seek alternatives immediately. Summary checklist: regulation, withdrawals, reviews, security, demo. Protect your investment.